Hi everybody, I'm very excited because we just got a new TREMEC TKX transmission. It's going in my Firebird here. This is a Firebird Sprint. Remember they made it just for a couple of years with the overhead cam 6-cylinder engine. I always wanted one of those because I thought it was pretty cool. But the regular 4-speed wasn't much, and we've upgraded a bit with Willwood brakes all the way around, disc brakes, changed the suspension, and of course we wanted to put a 5-speed in it. And this aftermarket TKX is fantastic. It handles what, 600 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, it's just such a nice shifting unit, and it goes in so easy. I mean, let me show you something. Give me 20 minutes, I'll show you what it looks like in the car. See, that pops right in. What was that? Well, that wasn't even 3 minutes. Look at that. It bolts up to the original bell housing right here. And as I said, a 5-speed, and these just such a nice shifting. You know, you could spend more than the price of this transmission fixing an original. I've got a Maserati next door, and that's got that stupid ZF, which is just such a pain, and we're putting one of these in that as well. Because this is made specifically for the aftermarket and rear-wheel drive, handles all kinds of power, beautifully made, and it's brand new, no problems at all. You know something, go on the website, look at all the features, you know, extra strong synchros, everything. It's really something. You can hook it up to the mechanical clutch in this as well. I mean, it's really a great unit. So check it out, and maybe you can put yours in 10 minutes like I did.